Hello and welcome. My name is Markus Hertel. Today I would like to give you insights about our shop floor at nVent Schroff, Germany. To be able to serve our customers effectively and efficiently with relevant mechanical enclosure solutions, economic standard platforms, but also specific modifications and capabilities for customized projects are a necessity. Therefore, manufacturing processes need to be optimized for serious production, but at the same time have to be flexible enough for individual customer modifications and even allow customizations. We manufacture our standard components to be on stock to ensure fast delivery of our standard portfolio directly to our customers. This is achieved through highly automated workflows optimized for high-volume manufacturing to ensure economic solutions. Modifications to our standard portfolio, for example cutouts or paint and print on front panels, allow for customer individual designs. We support fast modifications through our manufacturing workflows and manufacturing lines, as well as our very own in-house tooling center. We have dedicated manufacturing areas and sites that have been optimized for speedy modifications and assembly to meet market demands in lead time. For example, our front panel service is based on readily available pre-manufactured standard parts that are individually modified through dedicated punching or milling machines and individual print or paints through silkscreen, digital print or powder coating. We also have the in-house capabilities to manufacture any mechanical solution according to customer requirements, including integration of supply components into the enclosure. This is possible thanks to our engineering experience and expertise to design custom solutions to individual application requirements and our sizable machine park in our factory. No matter if it is a standard, modified or customized solution, our extensive manufacturing facility and our lean manufacturing principles provide you with the highest quality at a fast lead time for the best value. To learn more about our solutions, visit schroff.nvent.com.